Are you ready for some hot, crunchy, delicious homemade French fries? America's comfort food. This is Jonah with Cooking with Jonah V, and yes, this is our first time doing a voiceover video, but I'm so glad that you have joined us and we are going to have fun. This is a simple recipe. Let's cook homemade fries together. Get ready to have some fun. Select 3 large yellow potatoes, wash them. Using a scrub brush works well, and peel them. You may want to get yourself a practice potato, and after cutting the ends and the sides off it, cut yourself a flat, which is an approximate rectangle, a 1/4 inch thick or thereabouts. Lay that flat down on the cutting board and then slice off 1/4 inch wide pieces from it. You end up with a series of French fries about 3 or 4 inches long, 1/4 inch square. Here is your bowl of raw fries. Now we are going to parboil our fries for 2 minutes. Add about a tablespoon of salt to a large pot of boiling water. When your kettle starts to boil, add your fries and set the timer for 2 minutes. As soon as 2 minutes runs out, transfer your fries as quickly as you can into an ice water bath. When your fries are cool, pour them into a colander and drain them. Prepare a tray or a large pan with a paper towel in it and dry the fries off as best you can. Open a quart-size Ziploc bag and place 3 tablespoons of food starch into the bag. Place a good number of your parboiled fries into the bag, seal it up, and shake it well. Here is what your starch-coated parboiled fries should look like. Now refrigerate them for at least 4 hours or even up to overnight if you wish. When your refrigeration time is done, add a couple inches of cooking oil to the heavy pan of your choice. Heat the oil to a medium-high heat and add your fries. Cook your fries for 3 minutes at a rapid boil. After 3 minutes of cooking, remove your fries from the hot oil, place them on the paper towel on your platter, and allow them to be rid of excess oil and to have time to cool. After your fries have cooled, we are going to place them into the hot oil and cook them again. Cook them this time for 6 minutes or to your desired level of color and crispness. Add salt, and there you go. Get out the mayo, mustard, ketchup, or all of the above, and enjoy. Please do remember to like us and subscribe to Cooking with Jonah V. And check out our fun aprons, totes, and t-shirts on cookingwithjonahv.com.